Hello everyone, my name is Igor. I'm a mobile marketing manager for asktoric.com, and today I want to talk to you about the importance of localization. What localization can do for your mobile application, the power of it. Of course, I'm gonna show you some examples in the video with real numbers, and I'm gonna leave a really cool spreadsheet with a lot of valuable information. I'm gonna show you exactly how to use it in this video, and I'm gonna leave the link below so you can use it as well. And basically localization, it's a really powerful tool for mobile apps. So you could get in some downloads, and let's say the result is pretty good. You want to get more downloads, you want to reach more users and increase your user base. So most of the developers or companies will go for paid acquisition. They will go to Apple Search Ads or Google Ads or whatever, any other paid acquisition channel, set up the campaign there and start to see the CPI, optimize it, and try to get the most of the paid campaigns. Most of the times it's not the only thing you can do, and not that it's the only thing you can do. There's other things you can do that can give you even better results than paid acquisition. And I'm talking here about localization. So basically localization, it's meaning that you optimize in your app for a specific country. So most of the people and most of the users still don't speak English in the world, and they prefer that the app will be in their own language. So if you cannot localize the app itself, you can optimize the store listing. It will not take that much time, and it's probably will be easier than optimizing the app itself, and it can give you a huge boost in downloads and help you reach much more users. So let's see a cool table that I was talking about here, cool spreadsheet table that have all this information here. So it can give you an idea of exactly what I'm talking about. So for example, if you want to reach more users, we can see here that in China we have much more users than, for example, in the US, and in India it goes the same. So here you can see even the percentage between the Android and the iOS users, and get an idea of what we are talking about here exactly. So the millions of Android users, millions of iOS users in China, most of them prefer everything in their own language. Same goes for India, Brazil, Russia, Japan, Indonesia, all of those countries. If you want to reach these people, you better speak in their own language that they can understand. So we're talking about millions of potential users that you're not really reaching to them, because if your competition made localization, that's it. He have an edge on you, and it's pretty simple. It's pretty not much you can do if you're not localizing. You can pay for the campaigns, but you will not reach the organic traffic that you might get. So you're missing on a lot of organic traffic. Before you go into the paid, think about how you can optimize your organic traffic and organic downloads. It's really important. Most of developers tend to overlook on this and forget about the potential of the organic and real user database. Google works amazingly and iOS works amazingly if you're doing the right ASO, following the right guidelines, doing the right tactics. You can get a lot of rankings for high volume keywords, and this will bring a lot of traffic for your app. So after I show you this spreadsheet, it's pretty simple to understand. As we see here, we have the percentage of Android and iOS users, the numbers of Android and iOS users in every country. So it's a really cool tool that can give you an idea where you want to localize, where you want to go with your app. And when I'm talking about localization, what exactly do I mean in the store listing? So it's everything. If you have some writings in your icon, this you should localize as well. You should localize your icon, and for example, if you're localizing for Germany, so the writing should be in German. The title, and the subtitle, the short description, the long description, everything, the keywords, everything should be in this language. The screenshots, the writing on the screenshots, everything in the language of the country we want to localize for. So after we covered this part about localization and what it can do for your app and what it means exactly to localize your app, I want to show you some examples from the projects that we are working on. For example, here it's some game that we worked on, and as already we can see, it got some good amount of downloads from Brazil. Okay, I'm showing you only Brazil right now. It's getting much more downloads even from other countries, but we will focus on Brazil currently. And after we made an optimization for Brazil, we can see here it's continuing to increase and getting more good ranking for strategic keywords. And from 2,000 downloads, we are getting close to 8,000 downloads, and it's keep on growing. So, and it's all organic traffic, amazing. Another example here, we can see that huge spike in all countries. So we made here a pack of 10 languages, 10 localizations, and all the countries increase. So basically, if you're getting stronger in some new countries, the Google algorithm will know, and it will give you an overall boost for your mobile application or game. So it's something that, as you see here, the statistics never lie. And third example, same goes for here. When you make the localization, the app continues to grow all the time. How we can make and find the right things to localize for. So let's say here, if I go to acquisition reports, I can see that we are getting much more organic traffic from the search than even the paid campaigns, so much more traffic and good conversion rate. If I click on the search, I can see here what people are searching for to find our app. So this key phrase in Portuguese and this in Spanish, I will localize for with those key phrases for those specific countries. So we can see even the retention rate is very high. After 15 days, more than 30% of users. It's amazing results, and it's all organic. Everything is coming from the search page with huge conversion rates. I even can see by country, and we can see that most of the countries have close to 50% of conversion. It's amazing, and it's a really good result. We can always optimize after we make the localization. We can see in a keyword tool such as AppTweak what is exactly happening, what is the ranking that we are getting, new key phrases that we are getting, and implement them in the next update. So this is a very powerful tool for any developer or company who want to promote and reach wider audience, wider user base, and basically get more downloads. This is what we are all looking for in the end, and localization is amazing for this. So we in AskTolik, we know about this for a long time. We have our own projects, and we are helping our clients to get for these amazing results. And we have a team of 19 localization experts. Everybody are native in their own language. So if you have somebody who's localizing for Portuguese, he's from Brazil and he's native in Portuguese. He exactly knows any slang that we might not know. He knows how to use the AppTweak tool. He knows how to research for the right keywords in his language, because they're all trained by us. We know how to do ASO, and they're native in their own language. So if you need any localization services, or anything else that you might need regarding your mobile marketing, some consulting, some ideas, you're stuck with your app, you want to get more downloads, you just launch your app, we will be happy to help you. I will leave all the links below in the comments and in the description for this video. And don't forget to subscribe, because we're gonna get much more videos in ASO and mobile marketing with great tips and great tools. And let me know in the comments what you think, what you want to learn, what you want to know more about mobile marketing in ASO. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day, everyone.